Hi students, today let us see the method of prime factor to find the HCF. In the previous class we have seen one method that is called division method for finding highest common factor HCF or GCD, greatest common divisor. Okay, both are same. Highest common factor or greatest common divisor, both are same. So I am going to find now HCF by using prime factor method. How do we find? So what are the given numbers here? First 15 and 25, right? So prime factors. What are the prime factors of 15? 5 into 3. 5 3s are 15. Right? 25. 5 into 5. Only prime factors we must use. Okay? Prime numbers means already I told you. Numbers are said to be prime. A natural number is said to be prime if it has 1 and itself as factors. Okay? 1 and itself as factors. Now in this 2, what is the common prime factor you observe here? 5. Clearly common prime factor is 5, right? Therefore, highest common factor is 5. That's all. Simple. One more I will say it. Find the HCF of, you must see the common prime factor, that's all. Find the HCF of 24, 12, 36, 60. Okay? So what are the given numbers here? 24, 12, 36 and 60. Right? So you must find the prime factors for this. First you take 24. How do we write 24? You know 24, I will split here. 24 means, can I write like this? 2 1s are, 2 2s are. You know how to find this method? LCM method. 2 6s are, 2 3s are. Only prime numbers you must use. Remember that. Okay? This I can write now. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Right? 24 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. Okay? Now you take 12. How do we write 12? 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6. Only prime numbers you must use. 12 means I can write 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Now take 36. 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 2 9s are 3 3s are. Right? So how can we write that 36? 36 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Right? 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. Now you take 60. 2 30s 60. 2 15s 30, 3 5s 50. Right? Only prime numbers. 5 is also a prime. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. They are prime numbers. 60 equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Now what you supposed to do is, what did I tell you now? Prime factor method means common prime factors you should check. What are the common prime factors here? See, 2 is there, you see. 2, 2, 2, 2. Therefore, HCF is equal to 2, 2, 2, 2. 1, 2 is there. Right? Into, again, one more 2 is there. Everywhere 2 is there. Right? Common prime factor. One more 2. Into, is there 3? 3, 3, 3, 3. Again 3 is also a common prime factor. 3. That's all, no? We don't have 5's here. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So what is the highest common factor which divides all the given numbers? That is 12. 12 2s 24, 12 1s are 12, 12 3s are 36, 12 5s are 60. Clear? This is the way. Easy method. We will see one more. One more problem is third one. $24 and $49. 24 and 49. Now you check 24. 24, how do we write? What are the factors of 24? You can take like this: 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 2 6s are, 2 3s are. So how do we write that? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, right? 49. 49 means how do we write? 7 into 7. 7 is a prime number, but HCF is equal to. Is there any common factor? Do you find any common factor? 24 and 49? No, there is no common factor. That is why HCF is 1. Such numbers are called, we say that they are relatively primes or co-primes. So under note you can make this. If HCF is equal to 1, HCF of 24 and 49 is 1. Okay, you can write like this: 24 comma 49 is 1. If you write like this, so they are called relatively primes. Relatively primes or co-primes. Relatively primes or co-primes. When we find the HCF, if you get 1, then we say that they are called co-primes or relatively primes. Okay? We will see one more problem. 12, 16, 28. 12, 16, 28. 12, 16, 28. 12, 16, 28. Fourth problem. 12, 16, 28. Okay? You look at 12 now. 12, how do we write? 2 6s are 12. 2 3s are 6. So how do we write that? 2 into 2 into 3. 16. 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. So 16 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 28. Split 28. 2 1s are, 2 4s are. You might have understood the procedure. 2 7s are. Right? So 28 can be written as 2 into 2 into 7. 2 2s are 4, 4 7s are 28. Now what is the common factor here? 2 is there, you see, 2, 2, 2. Therefore HCF is equal to 1, 2 is there, right, into, again you see 2, 2, 2. One more 2 is there, 3 not there, right? 7 is also not there. So 2 2s are 4. So what is the highest common factor for 12, 16 and 28? That means this will divide each of these three numbers, right? 4 3s, 4 4s, 4 7s, like that. So fifth one. Fifth problem. 48, 84, 48, 84, 88. Fifth problem. Okay. So what are the given numbers here? 48, 84, 88. Let us see. 48, how do we write? 48 can be written as 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Simple. 2 2s are 2 4s are. Again, 2 1s are 2 2s are. 2 6s are. 2 3s are. So how do we write that? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16, 3s are 48. 84. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are. 2 2s are, 2 1s are, 3 7s are. So 84. Everybody should be perfect the tables, at least up to 9 tables. Okay. Then only you can do it. 88. 2 4s, 2 4s, 2 2s, 2 2s, 2 11s. Right? So 88 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 11. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 11 8s are 88. Now find out common factors, right? 2, 2, 2 is there, right? Therefore, HCF is equal to 1, 2 you can write. Again, 2, 2, 2. One more 2 into 3 is there? No. That's all I think so. 2, 2, 2 not there. 3, 3 here. 3 not there. 7 not there. So 2 2s are 4. So 4 is the highest common factor of 48, 84 and 88. This is the method of prime factor. Okay, only prime numbers we are using here. Right? Hope it is clear. We will see one more method tomorrow to find HCF. That is called common factor method. Okay? That I will let you know tomorrow. Thank you.